Hi, Debbie Barnett here, and we're excited to share that Mission Resort and Club will be hosting MahjCon 2027, taking place January 6th through January 8th of 2027. Mission Resort and Club offers the perfect balance of comfort, elegance, and convenience, creating an elevated environment where Mahjong enthusiasts can play, learn, relax, and truly connect. MahjCon 2027 isn't just about the game, it's about the experience that surrounds it. Located in the rolling hills of Central Florida, the resort features large, well-lit ballrooms and comfortable meeting spaces, making it an ideal setting for tournament play, social games, and educational workshops. Enjoy exceptional dining without ever leaving the resort. Choose from 3 on-site restaurants along with full-service bars, perfect for cocktails, conversation, and unwinding after a day of play. After a full day of Mahjong, retreat to one of the resort's well-appointed guest rooms designed for comfort and relaxation. Each room includes high-speed internet, an in-room safe, a hair dryer, a coffee maker, and a beverage cooler. Upgraded suites are available at an additional cost. For more information, please email support@mahjcon.com. And if you're traveling with a furry friend, the resort is pet friendly with an additional fee. Looking to indulge? Pamper yourself at the resort's luxurious spa and enjoy one of the many treatments available. Feeling energetic? Grab a friend or two and enjoy a game of pickleball or tennis on Hartrue courts. Or simply relax by the pool and soak in the hot tub. Before your day of Mahjong begins, explore the scenic paths and rolling hill views by taking advantage of bicycles available for guest use. Or keep up your daily routine in the on-site fitness center. During your stay, guests can enjoy a variety of outdoor activities designed for casual fun and social connection, including shuffleboard, cornhole, outdoor chess, and billiards. And for those who love golf, enjoy a round or 2 of golf on one of the resort's signature championship courses, known for their beauty and challenging play. All resort amenities are included with your stay, with the exception of golf and spa services, which are offered at an additional fee. The resort also offers a 15% discount on select spa services for guests staying on the property. Whether you're coming alone, with a friend or two, or bringing along a non-playing partner, MahjCon 2027 offers so much more than the game. Enjoy our silent auction, 50/50 raffles, special events, surprises, shopping at exhibitor tables, and moments of connection that bring the Mahjong community together. We look forward to sharing an unforgettable experience with you through Mahjong, the game that unites, ignites, and creates lasting friendships that go far beyond the table. Extend your stay so you can enjoy local attractions such as boat tours, botanical gardens, kayaking, historical museums, the Howie Mansion, historical Mount Dora, Disney World, and so much more. To register, click either the social play link or tournament link in the post description to explore a variety of ticket options and choose the experience that's right for you. Oh, and one more thing, hotel guests can take advantage of our early bird pricing by using the code EARLYBIRD when checking out. I'm looking forward to seeing you at MahjCon 2027.